Hello everyone, in this video I will share to you how to make Nutrisari ice milk. So we need the tools of here, the spoon, the glass and also the scissors. And for the material we need Nutrisari, and this is American sweet orange, and we need the milk and also cold water. So this is how to make. For the first, please prepare the glass and also the spoon, don't forget. And then we should open the Nutrisari. So we should scissors the Nutrisari for everyone, like this one. So for the next, don't forget to correct something like this one. And for the next, don't forget to pour the cold water. Don't forget to pour the cold water, something like this one, everyone. So like this one. Very good. And we need the milk. Don't forget to open the milk, something like this one with the scissors. And don't forget to pour the milk into the glass, something like this one. So you can pour the milk like this one, everyone. And this one. And for the next, we should mix well, something like this one. Mix well. And then Nutrisari ice milk is ready to be served. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, something like this one. Bismillah. And about the taste is very nice. I think that's all from me. See you for the next video. See ya.